Welcome to this LinkPoint Blade tutorial. Here, we'll demonstrate how to sync your calendar between Outlook and Salesforce. There are two ways to move calendar events between Outlook and Salesforce: Snap Record and AutoSync. Note that these two methods cannot be used together. The first method is Snap Record. This is how you can add calendar events from Outlook one-off to Salesforce when relating the event to Salesforce records in the side panel. Simply create the event in Outlook and add any required or optional attendees. The side panel will automatically update the search results with recommended records from Salesforce. Relate the item to at least one Salesforce record. Remember, you can search for additional Salesforce records to refine how you record the item. When ready, send the calendar invite. The event will be added to Salesforce in real time. A CRM category will also be added to the item in Outlook to indicate that it has been added to Salesforce. The second method for moving calendar events between Outlook and Salesforce is AutoSync. This option allows you to create events in both Salesforce and Outlook as needed, while events are synced between the two systems in the background at a set interval. To enable Calendar AutoSync, click the Preferences icon to open the Preferences pane in the side panel. Expand the Administration and Sync section. Click the Open Administration and Sync Settings link. This will launch the LinkPoint Blade admin portal in the web browser. Click on the Calendar Synchronization process to open the settings. Click the Is Enabled option to enable the AutoSync. You can also update additional settings such as the calendar sync date range, the days the calendar sync should run, and whether the sync should be one-way or two-way. Click Save to activate the settings. Note that the calendar sync will now run automatically. The sync is set to run every 30 minutes by default during the established day and time ranges. For more information, visit linkpoint360.com.